Hi friends, it's Emma here. Today we're going to draw a fancy and beautiful dress together. Let's get started. First, I'll draw the bodice of the dress. It has two puffy sleeves on each side and a tiny little waist. Next comes a pleated skirt. Be careful with your lines and take your time. It looks like a blooming flower, doesn't it? Alright, let's trace over everything to make it clear and neat. Outlining makes the drawing stand out so much more. Now it's time to add some colors. Red. I'll begin with a big heart in the center of the dress, using bright red. Take it slow and try not to go outside the lines. Yellow. For the top part of the dress, I'll use yellow. It's as shiny as sunlight. Pink. The puffy shoulders will be pink. They look super cute. Red. Now, let's move on to the rainbow-colored skirt. First up is red. It's bold and full of energy. Orange. Next comes orange. It's warm like a cozy sunset. Do you have a favorite color? Each stripe of the skirt feels like a little surprise waiting to shine. Yellow. The third color is yellow, and it's my favorite. It reminds me of bright morning sunshine. Green. Then we have green. It feels fresh and calm like the trees outside. that comes blue. It's soft and peaceful like the sky. Every color adds a special touch to this magical dress. It's starting to look so beautiful. Purple. Last is purple. Gentle and dreamy like a bedtime story. Perfect! This dress looks like something a princess would wear. I'm so happy we finished this drawing together. If you had fun too, don't forget to wave goodbye with me. See you again in the next video.